Hey YouTubers, thanks for tuning back into another episode. Tonight we're headed to Raw Performance for a dyno of some sort. I don't remember what car it is, so it's going to be a surprise. But we still have our shirt pre-order here, so if you're interested in picking up a Seth Church Vid t-shirt, go ahead and send me a DM on Instagram, and let's go ahead and get this party started. Boys and girls, as you've already seen in the little intro of the Element, it's a Element. So the element of surprise, so to speak. It's a super sleeper. K24 JDM K24A with a ZEX kit. It's a wet kit, so should be pretty impressive. So let's go ahead and jump right back in. So boys and girls, they've learned the ZEX system, and they're fixing to turn it on. So I think it's going to be a lot of fun. So just stick around and find out.
What's the pressure on the night? Between 9.
That's all, guys. 278,303 from a nitrous Honda Element. So it's not something you see every day, but consider giving this video a like. Make sure to subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. See you guys.